He goes, oh, is the GoPro on? And then waved at it.
Is it on?
He's like, no. Oh yeah, now it is. He's probably like, what a wuss, going down this bunny slope over and over with the GoPro on. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ow! I'm fine. We're good.
No, but this will help you stay in here so you don't roll off.
Oh.
Right, so you still have to keep your tips up. You just going to hit, right? But we're going to the next one.
Oh, shoot.
Exactly.
Why was I looking straight up in the gun? Ow!
So right there is whenever like the 3D fly was with, one time you got off of that stuff, but right when you clear that down the field, is when the whole time was tilted on.
Oh.
Oh, that house is pretty.
No,
Let me guess.
So
at least 1.3 million.
oh, sweet girl.
I don't know how much houses cost.
That bad boy's like 17 to 20 mil. What is that moving? Is that a mouse?
where?
Oh my gosh, it's a mouse! Oh! I know y'all saw that mouse.
Yes.
That was so adorable.
Okay.
Oh, I hope we see a mouse skiing down. I thought I saw a weasel yesterday, but it was just a tree. It was sticking out like this and it had a shape to it.
Oh gosh.
I cannot believe we just saw that mouse. So cute. He needs to find warmth. It's a little cold for a little mousey. Where does he look behind?
So where we're
Whoa.
at, it's here to Beach Express, right? And so a lot of people get off at this stop right here, and we're gonna go up to here. We're not gonna make all the way to Thunderhead, sorry. We're gonna go here, we're gonna take Boulevard down. And if we want to, we can go over to Thunderhead Express, and that will take us to Thunderhead. No,
green all the way.
Green all the way up to there, nothing else. There is a level difficult, a little bit harder, but it's not like, it's not like blues and black, so you don't have to do it.
Do you remember that we did on the last day of Angel Fire?
Yes, that's the day that we crashed.
Yeah, nothing is anywhere near that. Like, not even close.
So what we'll do is we'll get down to somewhere, whenever we run Boulevard over to here, we get close to where the school is, and then we can make a decision. Do we want to ski down, or do we want to go to Thunderhead and go up?
Is the ski down where we skied the first time yesterday? Is that the one?
Please talk about.
Yesterday, whenever we brought them to school and ski down, is that the same thing?
Yeah, basically.
No, snow. Snow.
But that's a more difficult. Like just getting from here to this lift is harder than probably from here all the way. Would you say? Just because of power level?
The what?
Remember when we started into where the school is? And it was like literally paid to walk out right here.
Yeah, there's one.
Yep.
To the right here. Yeah, they're up.
Oh, my ears just popped.
Did they? See, look, wow.
This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I need to take a photo.
I know.
Okay, so right up there is about where that lookout point was that we stopped at that had the picnic table.
Oh, yeah.
And so you can see the whole valley. Like we'll be able to see the whole valley right now.
Yay.
So
Pause.
She's taking a picture really quick.
I'm thinking I might go up and, because I need to take pictures to send to all my friends so that they can be pissed off that they're not here.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to leave because I'm the only one who knows the trail.
Yeah.
Right? But I will say that's a little more involved in that because we saw some people stay on the white stuff we were not in good shape yesterday.
You take a photo?
Matt, you want to ski the back and let them ski between us? Okay. So let's do that. That way we can just keep track of everybody. I'll continue to kind of go slow and if we have, and so also if you look up, are y'all watching your feet all the time right in front of you? You're looking up to see like where people are going. So one of the things I'll do is like if it's turning, or if there's a sharp turn a lot of times, I'll put my hand out that way and direct it so you know, hey, that's coming down, right? It's just kind of guys. Well, actually, that's what helpful yesterday.
Very helpful.
Just gives you a chance to kind of prepare yourself for, hey, we're headed that direction. But we'll, remember where you and I left mom and dad yesterday, where they turned off and went downhill
Yes,
where you
yes,
crashed?
yeah.
Instead, you and I went straight?
Yes.
What we'll do is we'll go across that to where that kind of, those kind of split. We'll stop there and decide what we want to do.
Okay. Is that the red up there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
We should go Thunderhead.
Oh,
Oh, that's a black.
no, it's blue.
That's a blue. You guys are
No,
kidding.
that's 70 minutes. That's a blue.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty, it looks worse than it is. So on the right hand side over here, that's a black. Yes. All right, everybody, keep up and ready. Okay, so here's the deal. We're gonna go right down here. See where the little green sign is? Okay, that's where we're going. It says easiest way down. They have signs that show you easiest way down. They're not always accurate because where she crashed was easiest way down. And we decided that we didn't think that was easiest way down, right?
Yeah, I ate it.
Cool. And so I'll be skiing ahead and I'll try to, I'm not gonna go real fast generally.
Cowabunga!
Tally ho!
Woohoo! Mush. Mush. WTF? There we go. Yeah, but it's good now.
Okay.
It said repair file. I was like, repair file, what?
No.
Oh no, it's good now, it's recording.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that really isn't as bad as it looks.
Yeah, it's not. All right.
Modified bunny slope, right?
Sure. You ready? Yeah. I was gonna say you might want to. It's kind of flat right there.
Look at the view, Grace. Whoa, that was silly. Hello.
Which way?
Whoops.
Got one more coming on your right.
Oh.
There you go.
You didn't even have to tell me stop because it's just like flattening out. Wah!
What?
Oh. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Try not to be in your way
I
here.
have headphones in, you're good.
Yeah. All right. So,
I'm underneath the blue.
how are we feeling?
Good.
Do we want to go all the way to the bottom, or do we want to go to the lift and go up to Thunderhead?
It's just like that.
Okay. I don't know if I believe you, but okay.
It is. Wouldn't you say it's like that?
I would say most of it is easier than that was.
Yeah, because it's wider.
Okay.
That's real
So
narrow.
instead of like how we're having to turn real hard back and forth, whenever we get up top, like it's this wide, so you can just like wee turn.
Yep.
Cool? Do it.
And the view from up there is even crazier. It's awesome. Yeah, this is so much better.
Don't ever stop in the middle.
Where'd he go?
Safe. Sure you got bottom kids. There were a couple spots I had to kind of squeeze through.
Is that out there? Gray pants. Right. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's him by the fence. Oh. Yeah, let's wave some haste. Oh, he's spotted. No, he stopped. There he goes.
Just take a break.
Okay. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, I was on the left side. He's on the right side.
Today's on water and yesterday.
It is. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Yeah.
You good? Yeah. All right.
Thunderhead, here we come!
So it's this right here. Okay?
Okay.
You're just gonna have to glance to your right a little bit because there's another trail.
Let's keep going.
Yeah.
All right, we got her.
Yep. Wait, thank you.
We good?
Yuppers.
Excellent.
Here we go up the Thunderhead. My skis could almost touch that snow right there.
I did it.
Are you okay?
You did?
Freaking ski instructor, like, right in front of me.
Oh yeah, I figured that's what
And
happened.
I was like,
Did you? I mean, I don't know if it's something, but like I was having to weave between different ski routes. But it's still easier to go down this run here, which is like down the blue.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's blue.
I don't know
I'm
how
on
to
the
do
other
I
side of
feel like I
that.
do that very, very, very slowly.
Yeah, I think I can do that one actually. I probably fall back, I can do it.
I mean, we can try this. Huh?
a little hard to get up there.
Huh?
Yeah. A little hard to get up down easy.
Yeah.
Hey, you got a perfect place to rest, though. You saw you were at that point.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Black pants free. No, black
Great,
pants
yeah, the goggles are like this, so close.
Okay, see where y'all are at.
Yeah, you're trying to wait, but I don't have to tell us.
Next time I go to purple. There's a lot of blue, white, green, and white.
Yeah, look for purple. Or people jumping up and down right here.
Yeah, true. Or just look at that gigantic
All
pearl.
the way there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
But like, it's not going to go down that.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
You feel froggy, like,
No, thanks. It's that TikTok that everybody's like all the time. It's like, I think we should start with cotton candy. No, no, no.
We're going down. Devil's Balls
I'm just like, no, no, I think cotton candy. Nope. We're going down this one. And it's like straight down.
That's black up there.
This? Oh.
Oh, I assume. Oh.